Welcome to a guided meditation for beginners, building the habit of meditation. Welcome to your first meditation. Whether you're curious, skeptical, or just exploring, know that there's no right or wrong way to begin. This moment is just for you, a space to breathe, pause, and reconnect. Settle into a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, cross-legged on the floor, or lie down if that feels right. Rest your hands gently in your lap or by your sides, and let your body relax. When you're ready, softly close your eyes, or let your gaze rest on one point in front of you. Step 1. Connect with your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise. Hold it for a second. Now slowly exhale through your mouth, letting your shoulders soften. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Begin to settle into a natural rhythm of breathing. Don't force it. Just observe it, like watching gentle waves lapping at the shore. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in, and its warmth as you breathe out. Notice how your body moves with each breath, your chest rising and falling, the way your stomach expands and contracts. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. This practice is about noticing and returning. That's all. Step 2. Be present in this moment. As you breathe, let your awareness expand. Notice how your body feels right now. The weight of your body pressing down, the points of contact between you and the chair or floor. Feel the air around you, the temperature on your skin. You don't need to do anything or fix anything. Just be here. You've already done the hardest part. You've shown up. Now imagine a calm stillness spreading through your body. With each breath, you're grounding yourself more deeply in this moment. Step 3. Visualize your future self. Let's take a moment to look forward. Picture yourself a few weeks or months from now. You've made meditation a regular part of your life. See yourself starting your day with clarity, feeling calm even in stressful situations, and ending your day with a sense of peace. Visualize this version of you, grounded, balanced, and present. Notice how they feel. What's different about their energy, their outlook, their confidence? Now remind yourself, this future starts here. Each small moment of practice builds that stronger, calmer version of you. Step 4. Affirm your commitment. Silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of peace. I choose to care for my mind. I commit to showing up for myself. Feel how those words settle in your heart. Know that each time you sit for meditation, you're planting seeds. You don't need to be perfect. Just consistent. Step 5. Gratitude in closing. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Bring your attention back to the room around you. Notice the sounds, the air, the space. Feel gratitude for yourself, for your breath, and for this time you've given yourself. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Take a moment to notice how you feel: lighter, calmer, more connected. An invitation to continue. Meditation doesn't need to be complicated or long. Even 5 minutes a day can transform your life. You've already started today, and that's the hardest part. Tomorrow, return to this practice. Let it grow into something that nourishes you. Each time you meditate, you're strengthening your connection to yourself, and that's a gift worth giving every day. Thank you for showing up. You're on your way to something truly meaningful. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.